Hello. Today we're going to be continuing the Joomla 4 um, investigation, basically, and I'm going to take a look at the sample data uh, content. So basically, what I did is I installed another Joomla 4 RC1 site. I'm calling it J4 RC1 blog. And what I do after I install it, I actually go to the home dashboard in the backend, the admin area, and I clicked on this blog sample data, and it just goes ahead and installs some sample data. This is actually a Joomla plugin that does this. I'm going to be looking into that because it looks like it's a good way of just providing Joomla with sample data, and it's not only installs the data, it actually configures things, menus, and so on. So let's see exactly what this looks like in the front end. So it's still Cassiopeia, the template. That's the only one that Joomla 4 has out of the box. And see, their homepage has some content here. These seems to be articles here, 3 articles with read me more links. There's a menu up here, and we'll take a look at the back end and see what menu. There's blog, help. There's a drop down here, so I guess that's a second level menu in there, sub menu. Again, and there's a sample layout. There's 3 levels here. Okay. There's the search button. I'm pretty sure this is an HTML module. I'll take a look at that. And this is probably just content articles that are showing. The main menu, okay, home. This is the home menu. All right, I'm seeing the login box here. And a couple of articles. And just go all the way to the end. These are probably tags. An article could have tags. And let's just take a look at this. Oh, there's popular tags here, so tags at the end. And this down here, I'm thinking this is another menu. So let me just go to the back end and just take a quick look here. So look at the content here. Let's look at the categories first of all. It looks like there are quite a few Joomla article categories. Basically, the uncategorized is what comes out of the box. And then there's a blog category that seems to have 4 articles that are published, a help category that has 3, Joomla category that has 3, and typography has a single article. Let's just look at all the articles here. Okay, the star here means this is a featured article. So 1, 2, 3, 4 featured articles in the blog category. Okay, let's just look at your template, see what this looks like. Okay, see the tags here on the right, that's nice. So the category blog, it's published. Let's just try to find this, your template article in the front end, see what it looks like. Your template, here it is. Wow. So just take a look at this image, and let's go back. There's another image here. It looks like it's different. So basic templates. Okay, let's see what this looks like in the back end. There's no image embedded in the content, which is interesting. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Oh, there's an image and links tab. And here we're seeing the intro image, and then there's a full article image. So I guess that's what I'm seeing here. This is the intro image, and when I click on the article, there's a different full article image. So images don't have to be embedded. That's interesting. One thing I noticed here is both images don't have the alt text. From an accessibility point of view, your alt text always needs to be populated, because a blind person cannot see the image, so they'll be able to hear the image description. Okay, so, and then there's also links. There's no links here, but maybe we'll find something that has a link. So this particular article has those two images. None of the images are actually in the content. I'm just curious. Let me just try to insert an image here, see if I can do that. Insert image. All right, I can't upload anything here. Let's try something else. Okay, I'm opening here the editor, and there's an image box here. Let's try that, the same thing. I wonder if I can just source, general, advanced. I was thinking that somehow it would allow me to pick an image from the content area, or at least upload an image. I'll be looking at that, because let me just do something else. Let's close this and let's go back. Sorry, your template, images and tabs. See, if I select here, it does open the content area, and I can actually select images here. But I can't. The editor doesn't take me to that area. Interesting. I'm going to look at that. How about this? CMS content. Oh, maybe this does. Let's click here, the image. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. So the editor has a couple of areas. You can do insert and actually insert an image here, but that opens this interface that you have to give actually the URL of the image. So you're not allowed to link easily to an image you've uploaded in your website area. But if you go here, the CMS content, you can insert articles, contacts, fields. That's going to be interesting, field, then article. And if you click on this image, let's try and, let's just take this one here, just keep it like that, and insert. Let's just try that. That's how it looks like. Let me just save it and go in the front end and actually refresh. There we go. So if you remember, there are two images now. This is the one we just inserted in the content, and this is the one that's been populated here in the images links. This one here. No, this one, sorry, the full image. So the full image just kind of looks like something I just embedded here. Let me go back and remove that. I want to keep things the way they are as much as possible. So let me just go ahead and save that. And let me look at the menus for a second. Let's close this. Okay, here, menus area. There's a bottom menu, a special menu, the main menu blog, and main menu. Let's look at this. Okay, the main menu is just the home menu. Let's see what that is. It kind of... There we go. So the home menu is featured articles, and they're just listed. Let's see, blog layout. So there's one leading article, 3 intros, no links. And okay, what it looks like. Let's see if we can make any sense out of that. So I'm clicking the home page, and I'm seeing here one main article. No, I'm seeing 3 main articles. Okay. These are probably the 3 articles with intros. Let's see that again. 3 intro articles. There's 1 leading article. And it looks like the leading article, well, I don't think this is an article here. No, it's not. So these are the 3 intro articles, and you see that read more, so that shows their intros. And this is probably the leading article, the 1. But then there's another article. And another. All right, well, that's the home menu. Let's look at, this is probably the blog menu. Let's just close this and look at the main menu, blog. There we go. So we see the blog, help, with 2 submenus, log in, log out. That's interesting. Let me see that again. Yeah, there's actually a login here. So I can click here and we just log in J4. Actually, let me just not do that. I think if I use the login button here, yeah, it remembers my login. So let me just log in here. And see, now this login became log out. Login, which is guest, and log out, which is registered. So that's why now that I'm logged in, I'm in the registered or above Joomla group, and that's why I'm seeing the logout button. Everything else is public. So I should be able to see the sample layouts, typography, and so on. See, now that I'm logged in, I actually see the edit button here too. And I can edit the module. The module is a main menu blog module. And it tells me what position's in, which is cool from the front end. Okay. Let's look. I'm pretty sure this here, I'm not seeing. Oh, here it is. This is actually a module. It's in the position banner. Let me try to edit it from the front end. I'm not seeing. There we are. So this is the module settings. The title is image, but it's not showing. It's hiding the title. Position banner. It's published, public access. And this is exactly what it looks like. It's just an HTML content here module. This is something I need to find out. I mean, I'm pretty sure. Let me actually look at the source code here, toggle editor. See, this is going to an article, and there's also a button class here. And that's why this actually looks like a button. Let me just go and cancel this. See, this is a button here. Okay. Interesting. I'm just going to take some more looks back here. So it populates, put quite a few articles here. And it has media also. Sample data, Cassiopeia. And it has all these images. Anything else in the content area? Articles, categories. I looked at featured articles. This is nice. It shows you all the featured articles. So there are 4 featured articles in the blog category. Is there anything in other? I guess not. Let me just look here. Filter options. Let's select. Is there anything in the help category? Yeah. There are 3 articles in the help category. They're not featured. Let's look at the workflows. That's just a simple article. How do I find this? I guess I go help. Yeah, this is the workflows article. Okay. And there are probably no tags here. Just verify this. Yeah, no tags, empty. Tags, I guess, let's find something that has tags. I just click on the popular tags. This is a module again. Love. And it tells us, yeah, these 4 articles are tagged, have a love tag. Let's just verify this about your home page. Yep. Joomla 4 and love. This article has 4 tags. Let's verify this. What was it called? About your home page. Is this it? No, hold on. It's not it. Let's try articles. Let's clear the filter for a second. And let's just search about. Yeah, there we go. About your home page, which is an article in the blog category, and it's featured. And let's look at it. Looks like, yep, there are 4 tags here. Okay, I'm going to be playing some more. I mean, but you kind of get the hang of things, the feeling. I mean, it looks kind of clean. You can edit things. I mean, I'll probably, on my websites, I'm not going to be using this, all these details. It's just too much, and it just doesn't look nice. I'll probably be editing these things, turning off, or maybe even do a different template, so they show up a little better. I'm gonna stop this. I just want to do short videos to show you how I'm researching this. So what I did is I basically did an empty blank install, and then I went to the admin area after I did the installation. And in the home dashboard, there's actually a button here to install the blog sample data. I'm just curious, if I press this again, will the system be smart enough to know that I already installed it, or will it do a double install? So let me click on this. It gives me a little pop-up. Can't be reversed. Failed. Okay, so it does look like it's failing because another tag, I guess it's trying to do everything again, and it just stopped. So hopefully, yeah, well, this is stuck here. That's not, let me see if I refresh. Yeah, okay. Let's see if I got double articles anywhere. It looks like I didn't get double articles because I would have seen it here. So it looks like the install just tries to do a new install over the existing one, but it failed because there was already something installed and it couldn't do a duplicate name. So I guess that's one way of protecting yourself, but not the right one. All right, so that's what I did basically. I just did a blank install and then went to the home dashboard and clicked this blog sample data. I'll be taking a little more look at a closer look at this offline, and I'll do a follow-up video just to summarize my findings. But you guys get the idea. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. The tags are nice. They were in Joomla 3 also. I think things are a little more cleaner here. Let me just take one more look here. I want to see users, the groups. Okay, the groups seem standard groups. Public guest is in here. That's good. Manager, admin, registered, author, editor, publisher, super user. Okay. It looks like the normal stuff. Access levels, public, guest, registered, special. Again, that's more or less what we've been used to seeing in Joomla. At some point, I'm going to take a look at the workflows. I'm thinking the workflows might need some extra group configurations and maybe some extra groups to be added. Right, well, I'm going to stop here. Thanks for watching. Make sure subscribe so you don't miss the other videos I'm going to be posting. I'm on a roll here, so I might even do one before the weekend. So feel free to subscribe, and I'll keep things going. Thank you very much.